believe everything that you see. The mind can play tricks on people.
He looks so happy today, doesn't he? Thank you. He looks so happy today.
Okay, Robert, slipping down. This won't hurt much.
Give me a little smile.
I got a telegram from headquarters today.
Headquarters? What is it?
Well, it's a big building where generals meet, but that's not important right now. They've cleared you of any blame for what happened on that raid. Isn't that good news?
Is it? Because of my mistake, 6 men didn't return from that raid.
7. Lieutenant Zip died this morning. But Dr. Sandler says she'll be out in a week. Isn't that wonderful?
Wish I could say the same for George Zip.
Be patient, Ted. Nobody expects you to get over this immediately.
Hey, Stryker, how about a break? I'm getting tired.
Yeah, all right. Take 5.
Thanks.
I found a wonderful apartment for us. Has a brick fireplace and a cute little bedroom with mirrors on the ceiling and...
Red leader, I'm going down.
Captain Jolene. He thinks he's a pilot, still fighting the war.
I found the tunnel, Johnson. It's this way. $25 for a cigarette is too much.
What's his problem?
It's Lieutenant Hurwitz. Severe shell shock. Thinks he's Ethel Merman.
You'll be swell. You'll be great. Gonna have the whole world on a plate. Starting here, starting now. Honey, everything's coming up right.
War is hell.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like some coffee before we serve dinner?
No, thank you.